You forget what you learn, and more importantly, how to fix it.
You ever study for hours, then, poof, it's all gone right when you need it? Well, here's the good news. It's probably not a memory problem at all. Nope, it's actually a method problem. It's about how you're trying to learn.
So first up is a hack that sounds way more complicated than it really is.
It's called the Feynman Technique, and it's a total game changer for tough subjects.
Just try explaining it to a kid. Where you get stuck, that's your knowledge gap.
All right, hack number 2. Let's get weird and creative with some stories.
See, your brain kind of hates boring facts, but it absolutely loves a good story.
Honestly, the weirder and funnier you make the story, the better you'll remember it.
A classic trick? Use the first letter of each item to make a goofy sentence.
Okay, hack number 3 is all about fighting how our brains naturally forget stuff. It's called the forgetting curve. Basically, we start losing info, and fast.
How fast? You can actually forget up to half of what you just learned yesterday.
The trick is spaced repetition. You just review stuff at the right intervals to beat the curve.
Think of it like working out. Cramming is useless. You got to build that memory muscle over time. And for our last hack, this one tackles the biggest mistake most students make. Get this, a wild 90% of students, they just reread their notes over and over.
Rereading is passive. You need active recall, actually testing yourself to build strong brain connections.
When your brain has to work to find an answer, it flags that info as important.
So the big takeaway here, you got to study smarter, not just harder. It's not about who studies for more hours. It's about who studies the right way.
So here's your new toolkit. Teach it, tell stories, space it out, and test yourself. So take a look at your own study habits. Which one of these are you going to try first?